This is where I grew up, and it has taken me almost all of my life to realize how extraordinary and unique it is to be from a place like this, to be forever bound to it, and to have my entire life still resonate with memories of those early years. My love of food began in this small village called Pueblo, Jalisco, Mexico, a small settlement of about 800 people. My grandmother set the standard for how I eat now. All of our traditions that are related to eating and cooking are very dear to me. Even though in Mexico it is standard tradition that cooking knowledge gets passed on, my Nina Nati took that extra time and patience to share more. She was always hands-on explaining, demonstrating, showing what ingredients should look like, how fruit should feel and smell. She herself learned by trial and error, as well as from the elders of her family. I invite everyone into my home and share the knowledge and insight that was passed down to me. At my dinner table, I share food along with the stories, just as my Nina Nati did.